How to see the most region who follows you on TikTok. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to see the most regions who follows you on TikTok. It's so easy and quick. Now go to your TikTok. First thing, you should have a business account. To do that, click on those 3 points up there and click on Setting and Privacy. Now click on Manage Account and switch to Business Account. Now, I only have one video on my profile. I'm gonna click on it and click on those 3 points and click on Analytic. Wait a minute and now scroll down and you're gonna find video views by region, and this is it. This is how you find the most region who follows you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.